Hello teacher and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. On few of my subscribers request, I'm here again to address you with the part 2 of online class sentences for teachers. In this video, I'm trying to add more sentences on technical issues, screen sharing, discipline, feedback, homework, assessment, and the most important, how you encourage your children to participate in your class activities. So watch the video till end and note down the sentences which is comfortable to use during the situation of your class. Teachers, my part 1 video on the same topic is available on my channel. I will share you the link in the description so that you can check that also. Many teachers found that video really very helpful. So without further delay, let's begin. We usually start the class with greetings and we recall the things which we have completed in our previous class. So for greeting, you can use the sentences. Good morning everyone. Good morning class. Good morning children. Next, whenever we start our class, after greeting, never jump directly with your chapter or books. Let's have some interactive session with your students. It will create a good bonding between you and your students. Children loves to spend some quality time with you also. So for that, you can say, let everyone come and join the class. How are you children? How are you today? Why are you looking so dull, Ankita? May I know that? Are you all right? Feel comfortable to talk with me. Children, have you completed your breakfast or had your breakfast? And insist them to take healthy breakfast on time every day. Next, to start a lesson, I think everyone has joined. Shall we start a lesson now? Let's begin today's lesson. Let's get started. Take out your textbook. Turn on page number 20. Students, please mute your mic to avoid background noise. Switch on your videos. Unmute your mic if you want to ask any questions. Next, before starting a new lesson, you can take a quick revise from your previous chapter by using the sentences. Before we start our new chapter, children, tell me first, what do you understand from your previous chapter? In short, listen them and appreciate. Next, to check if your voice is clear or to check if you are visible to everyone or not, you can use the sentences. Can you hear me? Or am I audible? Next, to start the new chapter, you can say, Dear children, today we are starting the new chapter. Read the paragraph loudly so that everyone can hear you. Please concentrate everyone while your friend is reading. Next, feedback on the student's reading skill. You can use the sentences Arav, excellent. Your reading skills is too good. Ridhima, brilliant. You read the paragraph very nicely. Keep up the good things. For someone who needs to improve, for them you can say, Akansha, my dear, you have to improve your reading skill. You can add few more sentences on this topic like, reading is one of the important skills, students. As you're moving to higher classes every year, read at least a paragraph a day so that you can improve yourself. Next, during the session, if you found some important and new words, say them to underline. For this, you can say, underline the word, it's new and important. And if you want to check, is anyone knows the meaning of that word, you can ask, have you ever come across with this word? Do you know the meaning of this word? Anyone? Next, network issues. When your call disconnected suddenly due to network issues, for that you can use the sentences when you rejoin. Sorry children, my call was disconnected due to network issue and thank you for your patience. Sorry class, I got disconnected from the class due to technical issues. For students, when their voice or video is not coming properly, you can say, Aditya, I think you have some network issue or problem with your device. Please rejoin the class again. Next, if you have assigned something in the class, use these sentences. You have 10 minutes to complete this. What did you observe in the picture, student? Underline the highlighted word in the book, page number 13, with pencil. Please try to answer by yourself. Which questions are you still on? Don't go out of the topic, children. Shall I move to the next page? Have you all completed this page? Sharing screen 2. If you're presenting something on the screen, you can say, take a look at this. What did you see on the screen? In this case, many of your students start saying, ma'am, page is hazy, blur, and many things, even if the screen is clear for everyone. So just ask to everyone to confirm. Children, can you able to see the page? If everyone say yes ma'am, you can say to that particular student to rejoin the class by saying these sentences. Ankush, everyone is able to see the page. I think you have some network issue. It happens sometime due to technical issue. Join the class again. Class, wherever you face the problem with the sentences or words, just ask me, I will help you out. Next, in between the session, sometime few students on their mic and start disturbing the class unnecessarily. For them, you can say, Priyanshu, turn off your mic. If he does not respond, you can continue by saying, Priyanshu, will you please turn off your mic? If he does not respond you and continue, you can say, Priyanshu, will you please turn off your mic? Don't interrupt others. Give your attention in the class. Be disciplined and be good to others. Please turn on your video while I'm taking your screenshot. Feel free if anyone have doubt on this topic. Next, for encouragement, teachers write phrases from you for your children makes really differences. So for that, you can say, I know you can solve this sum. Don't be shy. I knew you would answer it. Superb. That's much better. You express yourself so well. You have such a creative ideas. Very good. Good remembering. Class, I love hearing your ideas. Keep on trying. Very impressive. For someone who is weak and talk very less, for them you can say, I love hearing your words. You need little more concentration, but don't worry, I'm always there to guide you. Next, to stop the lesson and homework. It's time to stop. Time is over. That's all for today. We will continue the lesson or exercise in next class. Did you all understand? Page number 8 is your homework. Shall we take it as your homework? Send your homework on time and be regular with your homework. Last, to say goodbye. Have a good day, class. Have a good time, children. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye. Teachers, I hope you found this video helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. One humble request, if you found this video helpful for you and others, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. Happy teaching.